Hi guys, it's Ruthie, plant obsessed lady loving to share my passion for plants and inspiring you to be creative with your plants and gardens. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know you rock. Today I'm going to be doing a review of a company, Potey. It could be Potey, it could be Potey, it could be Potty. I do not know how to pronounce it correctly, but thank you for the opportunity to review your pots. I know it's been a while. I've gotten the pots and I did not do it sooner. I apologize, but a lot of things have been going on. But I truly appreciate the opportunity to review the pots. So today's going to be like a little chat along and pot along with the pots. So let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Ruthie. Today I'm super excited to bring you a unboxing from not sure how to pronounce it. It can be Potey, Potty, Potey, but it's Potey. They were gracious enough to send me these pots, and I've had them, I want to say, for about 2 or 3 weeks, and I'm really sorry I didn't do the review sooner. Just been crazy with work and other things, and you know, just never got to it, but here it goes. I don't know if a bunch of you have gotten to review these pots, and the process is basically, if you decide you're going to review them, they ask you for your email, your PayPal email, and they send you the funds to purchase it. So that's how it went. Somehow, some way, by mistake, I ordered 2 of them because I ordered it and then I canceled it and then I reordered it. So they wound up sending me two of the same ones, and I had to return one of the sets, and that's one of the reasons why it took me longer to review it as well. But it's super well packaged. Oops. With this foam. I have like some soil stuff here because I'm going to be potting up some plants. I'm sorry it doesn't look, I hope it doesn't look super messy. Right. I hope you guys are doing well with all this crazy coronavirus stuff. It's super scary, but we'll be okay, guys. We are going to make it through this because we just have to. Alright. Is it just me, or do you guys hate the sound of like the foam? It like hurts my teeth. Ooh, these are pretty. So there were quite a few different versions that I could have chosen, but I did wind up choosing these white like grommet type pots. I thought they were really cute. Plant and share the love. Using Potey to be featured. Super cute. Free gift plant hanger. Or how it works. I'm gonna have to figure that out so I can get that free. I love free. And excuse my hands, they're filthy because I was trying to make some soil so to save time. So this set comes with 2 pots. It has the little filters as well as the pre-drilled, and you have the little plungers in there, the little stoppers. So if you want to keep that in there, use it as a cash flow, you can do that. Haven't decided yet if it's going to be cash pull or put the soil in there. I should probably just use it as a cash. Let me see if this even fits in here, because I'm going to put one of my Sanseverias in there because I think it'll look super cute, but it's clearly not in this pot because it doesn't fit. And then I want to put this Sanseveria, which possibly will fit perfectly. Look at that. I don't even have to what? I don't even have to do anything. Look at that. That I love. That's super awesome when you don't have to even repot. That's the quickest repot I have ever done. So now I want to just put this in here like with a cash po. Let me see if I have a different sized pot that I can fit in here, and I'll repot it that way. I'll be right back. I found a pot that would fit in here pretty neatly. It's a little bit, it's not as wide as this one, but I had repotted this into this pot, and I think it'll do fine in here. So I am going to repot this in here. Always make a mess. Always. I always forget to get a bigger pot so I don't do this. Never fails. I'm recording, I hope I am. I can't tell. You know, I'm the kind of person that I kind of have to laugh at things. If not, I'm going to cry about it. And that's one of the, that's like, you know, like with things that are like serious or like this, like the coronavirus, and some of the things that have kept me sane are some of the funny memes that are out there, which are super ridiculous but funny nonetheless. I was just telling my husband about 2 memes that I had seen, and one of them I thought was super funny. It was it said it's 2043 and it's a really special day for Jimmy. Today he'll be using the last roll of toilet paper that his parents bought in 2020. It's so silly and dumb that you just have to laugh at it. I mean, people are really hoarding this toilet paper, and I have to think to myself, like, how much toilet paper do you use? I mean, like, really, what are you doing with this toilet paper? Like, are you wrapping your whole body in this thing? Like, why do you need so much toilet paper? Anyway, we like to use baby wipes along with toilet paper, and maybe that's too much, but it's very useful for many things. You can clean your face, clean your body if there's no water. It's very useful. So, and another one that I saw or heard was, oh, of course I'm gonna forget it right now. Oh, and if I find the memes, I'll put them up here somewhere so you guys can kind of see them. It said, typically I roll my toilet paper like if I'm rolling the Wheel of Fortune wheel. Just imagine the toilet paper just rolling like crazy. But right about now, I am rolling it like if I am, like if I'm trying to crack a safe. Think about it, just like little tiny movements, little increments of movement. It's pretty silly. Hey guys, so I just wanted to clear something up. I don't want you guys to think that my humor about the virus means that I don't take it seriously. In fact, I do take it very seriously. I am a healthcare worker, an LPN. I do see every day how the healthcare workers are working without enough supplies. My family is in New York, so I have many concerns. And honestly, silly things like this help me to just not focus on all the negative and just think of the silliness of hoarding toilet paper. In fact, my brother was tested positive in New York, and I am super concerned. I mean, I worry about my mom, I worry about everyone. So just if little things like this can keep you sane in such a time of chaos, you know, I say go for it. I mean, I think humor has helped me go through a lot of hard things in life, and I don't think I'll ever stop using it to help me cope with things and just get by. So please don't think that I don't think it's serious. I do think it's serious, and I pray that we all stay safe. Now this is going to be pretty tight, but you know what? I think this will do okay, even if it's a little bit root bound. And this is not its forever pot. This is just its for now pot. Okay? So let's not get crazy. Let's not get silly and be like, oh, why are you putting it in a smaller pot? Sanseverias are very resilient, and that's one of the things I really love about them. And this mix is just some potting soil, Miracle Grow, some perlite, and some guys use orchid bark. I have just mini pine nuggets, which is to me pretty much the same, works out the same. So alright. Alright, I think that's pretty good. Other than the soil mess I have here, which is ridiculous. And I really hope you guys are doing well, that you guys are safe, being safe, practicing that social distancing. For you introverts, this is your time. Shine. Just shine. What else? I don't want the soil. The soil's old and should be thrown out. But I want to thank Potey, Potey, if you want to be fancy, for the opportunity to review these pots. I think they're super pretty, sleek. I love that they're already pre-drilled, and you have the option to use them as cash pots. And I'm gonna water these and be back in a moment. Try to get some of the soil mess out of here. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm just gonna water these because this needed a good watering. I love that I didn't even have to like repot this one. It makes me happy. And I can just put the water in the bottom and let it soak it up because it's a cash pot. Making a mess here. Don't want to put too much water in there. Just enough so it soaks it up. And I'll give it a few minutes and then I will throw out whatever it doesn't soak up. All right, so that is it for this. I'm going to, I tied these up before with a little, but I have this Velcro ties that I really like. I'm gonna use that because I think it will work really well, just to keep it nice and straight for now. All right, that's good. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks again, Potty, for the opportunity to. I will leave a link down below to the Potty website, Potey website. On Instagram, they're a great company. They've given a lot of people these pots to review, and I've seen nothing but good reviews for them. I received the pots really quickly, well packaged. They're beautiful. They have different types, so check them out. And thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. Till next time, let's make this world a more beautiful place, one succulent plant and cacti at a time. Be safe, guys. Bye. And don't hoard that toilet paper, guys.